sector, there's a digital revolution going on in our financial sector. Checks are nearly gone, cash is in decline, buy now, pay later, digital wallets and digital currencies are fast becoming the new norm.
You were appointed to Ripple's board of directors. As we near the end of 2021, Rosie, I have to ask you, what trends should we keep an eye out in the new year? What are your predictions for, let's say, blockchain crypto space in 2022?
Look, the future is already here, right? It's one of my favorite phrases that I use all the time. The train has already left the station. I think blockchain technology will always be here, not just because of crypto, but other applications as well, whether it's NFTs, whether it's fractional ownership of real estate, whether it's art, all these other applications are there. So for me, I think this world of innovation and technology has already arrived. It's really, how we use it responsibly, how we really think about it to better our lives.
Welcome back, guys. Hope you're all having a great day. I apologize for not pushing out more content on the YouTube channel. For those of you that are in the Telegram group, I've been posting and keeping you guys up to date with what's going on. So I'm going to try my best to keep posting on YouTube and keep creating content for you guys. It is a bit kind of hard for me, but I'm going to try to remain consistent because I do want to grow this YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, so just bear with me, yeah? So let's look at the charts. XRP, yes, as you can see, we're on the weekly time frame. I'm just going to keep it with weekly and daily time frames, guys. I'm not going to go too much into lower time frames because I'm not really going to be sending out much analysis for on the YouTube channel. So if you want to see more in-depth analysis and potential moves, then I suggest you join the Telegram group, which will be in the descriptions below. So yeah, guys, so XRP, as you can see on a weekly, we've just closed with a nice bullish weekly candle. I do believe we could be in the beginning of a potential move up in towards, I'd say, this high here of 0.917, and then we have a dollar, or let's call it 1.02, and potentially even higher, just about 1.07. As we can see, there's a bit of a gap in the market up here, a bit of an imbalance. So that could be a potential move for XRP. Do I think it's gonna moon from here? No, I don't think so, guys. There's a lot of liquidity lying down below here. Okay, as you can see, we have area here which hasn't been mitigated yet. It's roughly 0.5 to between 0.50 and 0.45. So roughly around that area, I do believe we could see XRP eventually heading back down. So we could see something like this. I would take out that high and then move lower, or we could move up into this region here and then move lower. So I do believe something like that could be on the cards for XRP. So I'm not going to be getting too excited just yet. And in all honesty, I ain't going to be getting excited until XRP blows past $50, $100. That's when we're talking, yeah? That's when we got the big dog, guys. So just hold tight, yeah? These little moves, I'm not interested, yeah? Because I know what I'm holding. Okay, guys? So I hope you guys do too. Moving on. Next up, we have XLM. I'm just going to keep it with the utility tokens from now on, guys. So that means no more Ethereum. Now and again, I might look at Bitcoin, but I'm just going to keep it strictly utility because this is the new wave, yeah? If you're not all about utility, then, boy, I feel sorry for you, in the next bull run, because utility is where it's going to be at, yeah? So XLM, to be honest, is looking quite nice at the moment. Like, we are really, really low for XLM. I would say this area here this area here looks like a nice potential area for support. So I mean, anywhere in between here would be a nice buying opportunity for XLM. I mean, if we was to drop even lower than that, then you're talking 0.06. Could it reach to them levels? I believe it can, but when you're buying into an asset, it's good to dollar cost average. So, you know, as price moves down, you enter more capital into it. So here would be a potential area, and down here also. So I mean, we could see a nice move high up, move up. Long-term targets would be 0.43 cents, and obviously you got this high here of 0.79. But yeah, got XLM is looking promising. Next up, we got XDC. Now, same as XLM, this is looking really nice at the moment. We are like really like near the lows, and as they say, buy low, sell high. So I mean, price is currently at 0.05. I mean, do you think that's a bargain? I do. So, you know, this is looking like a nice chart for the bulls. I mean, we could see a potential move just a tad bit lower, maybe towards, I mean, 0.02. It's a steal, guys. It's a steal. So, you know, if you've done your research, you know what XDC and who they're affiliated with, then you know that this is a steal at the moment. But anywhere around these regions, I'll have been picking it up, you know. So I'll be filling up my bags on XDC. All-time high is 0.19 cents. I believe we're gonna see a lot more upside to this as we do enter the utility bull run whenever it kicks off. I believe it's coming soon. So yeah, guys. Last up, we have Algorand. Algorand is looking very nice as well. We are at the lows. Let's say we are at current support. So current support of 0.70 cents. We can see a nice bullish rejection on the weekly. So I do believe we could see a potential move higher, back up in towards these areas of 1.3, 1.34, potentially something like that. I mean, is it going to be going sideways for a while? Who knows? But at the moment, that is a nice price for a bull entry, or a long entry, as you would say. So yeah, guys, just a brief outlook at the charts. Let's get into some news. First up, this came out last week. Ripple appoints Michael Warren to board of directors. Now, for those of you that are in the Telegram group, you would have seen this already when it came out. And I've posted a lot more other directors and advisors to Ripple's board. And funny enough, the past 4 of them have been US governmental officials. So I mean, I don't know what's going on, but if Ripple is sort of under the spotlight and is actually doing illegal activities, why would there be ex-officials from the government joining their board? I mean, I don't get it. Does it make sense to you? You know, you'd think they would kind of shying away and kind of staying away from Ripple at the moment, but no. You can see here, this is an is a global advisor. He was in office with Barack Obama. President Obama appointed Warren to serve on the board of directors of the Overseas private investment corporation. So back in like 2010, you know, Michael Wan was involved in the US government. So right now he's been appointed, and this is bullish for Ripple, in my opinion. It just adds more clarity and more what's the word? More certification that Ripple is a genuine company and it's gonna be around for the long haul. Yeah, so keep your eyes on that. Next up, we have Finastra to build model digital bank for Union of Arab Banks. Finastra today announced its collaboration with Union of Arab Banks to help banks across the Arab League member states offer enhanced digital services to their customers. The partnership combines Finastra's universal banking solution with Union of Arab Banks' extensive ecosystem of banks. The resulting model digital bank, which will be conceptualized, created and developed by Finastra and UAB Digital. The union's digital arm will be licensed to Union of Arab Banks members to help them accelerate digitalization while minimizing costs and time to market. So Finastra, Finastra's a partner of Ripple going back like 2019. You can see here Ripple to bring blockchain technology to Finastra's banking customers. So this to me just sounds like they're going to be utilizing Ripple or RippleNet. As you can see here, they're trying to help them accelerate digitalization while minimizing cost, time to market. Now that sounds like, to me, that's Ripple. Yeah, like RippleNet. They're going to be using faster transactions and utilizing digitalization, DLT, ILP, you know, NFTs soon to be on the Ripple Ledger, you know, XRPL. So yeah, guys. I mean, if you wanna, I'll put this link in the Telegram group for you guys. If you wanna look into it. But yeah, that is what I found today. I think that got posted like 2 hours ago. So, and that leads on to this also. Ripple, an advisory group from the Arab Monetary Fund, has listed RippleNet as a direct alternative to SWIFT. So now there's a lot of activity going on in the Arab regions considering RippleNet and potentially XRP. The Arab Regional FinTech Group has recently released a practical guide for Arab central banks looking to understand the nuance of the burgeoning digital asset market. So the working group advised Arab central banks to improve their messaging protocols using systems such as Swift GPI and significantly RippleNet. This comes just 2 days after the revelation that the clearinghouse, a non-Ripple partner, is collaborating with Wells Fargo to produce an alternative payment system to Swift. Ripple's XRP is unique. The paper also specifically named Ripple XRP as a unique cryptocurrency insofar as it was one of the first designed primarily for payments, in contrast to most crypto assets which were labeled as speculative stores of value, including a direct link to Ripple's future of CBDCs. Their advisory paper clearly sees Ripple as having a serious role to play in the future blockchain-based global financial infrastructure. So there you go, guys. They're already looking at, it's already been stated that Ripple are intending to go after cross-border payments and to sort of, overtake Swift. And more countries and governments and the banking institutions are, in the background, they've already been testing it and things like that, but they're coming out now with statements saying that, alternative to Swift and all these things. So, in my opinion, I always use this analogy. Swift is like blockchain, XRP, Ripple is like Netflix, yeah? If you don't adapt, then you get left behind. And to me, this is the same scenario which seems to be playing out with Ripple and Swift. Yeah, I mean, everything's going to be the internet of value, everything's going to be tokenized, and everything's going to be running seamlessly through the internet. And Swift at the moment is an old system. It was built in 1973. I mean, it hasn't got the capabilities to, you know, facilitate all this internet of value. So it's only right that, you know, something else comes and either works alongside it or replaces it eventually. And the only crypto company and cryptocurrency I can see, in my opinion, is Ripple and XRP. So yeah, guys, I'm just going to leave that with you. I'm going to be back tomorrow. Appreciate you taking your time out to checking out the content. And I hope you have a great day. Peace.